The top event planners around the country spoke. We need a group that does plenty of Jimmy Buffett music. We need a band on the East Coast that can play Beach Boys music. We want an act that's perfect for our pool or beach party. We need a band that can play anywhere in the Caribbean, but still play American music.
You know what sets Volcano Joe and the Hot Lava Band apart from any other band that you've seen before? Well, we're not just going to stand there on the stage like a bump on a log.
We do a conch shell blowing contest.
And we have a hula hoop contest, too.
And a limbo stick contest.
We're going to have a great time here in Maui. And I tell you what, you folks are going to have a great time when you take us wherever you want to go.
So take off your shoes, put on your best Hawaiian shirt, and prepare for an unforgettable party down at Volcano Joe's.
Feel the rhythm of the island. It's like sugar cane so sweet. If you want to do that conga, you've got to listen to the.
I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows. Well, the ground she's moving under me. A tidal wave followed on the sea. Sulfur smoke up in the sky. Pretty soon we learn to fly. I let the hair sing. I don't know, no, I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go in the volcano blows.
Since 1998, Volcano Joe has been the standard by which all beach pool parties are measured. From Puerto Rico to Maui, from Cancun to Orlando, Volcano Joe has just the right style of music to make your event a smash success.
Goes to my head. Cheeseburger in paradise. Heaven on earth with an onion slice. Not too particular, not too precise. I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise.
Hang out for volleyball here at the Volcano Joe and Hot Lava Band show. We got the piranhas and the sharks. It's anybody's game, and the rules are there are no rules. So the ball is up. And it's over to the Sharks, and oh, they almost hit it into the stage, but back over to the Piranhas and the Sharks. Anybody's game, anybody can play. Oh, up and good. Oh, you had me going there. I thought you were going to hit that one into the ground. Oh, it's up and back to the back. Okay, watch out for that spike. Oh, I thought he was going to get that one. Oh, it's going way in the back. Don't let it hit the ground. Oh, we have the winners, the Sharks. You know, a lot of people ask us, why do we have a bartender on stage? Well, I'll tell you, it's really simple. Nothing's more exciting than having the audience members up on stage, having a great time, having a party, because that's what it's all about, right? Having a good time. That's what Volcano Joe and the Hot Lava Band is all about, too. A party atmosphere in a party place like beautiful Maui, you can't go wrong.
And don't forget, this band takes no breaks because Volcano Joe is also a DJ. So the music and fun goes all night long.